You know, it'd be funny to project this on our TV and show this to him.